Hello dear children. Today in maths class, we are going to continue the topic time. Children, in previous video, you have learned how to tell the time on an analog clock. Now, let us see how to tell the time on a digital clock. A digital clock do not have hands. They show the time with the numbers separated by a colon. See, this is a colon. The number on the left side of the colon is the hour and the number on the right side of the colon is the minute. Children, in digital clock, there are two different types of clock system. 12-hour clock system and 24-hour clock system. As you already know that a day has 24 hours. Now, according to the 12 hours clock system, each day is divided into two parts of 12 hours each. Now, usually when we tell the time, we use AM or PM to differentiate about morning hours and evening hours. In the previous video, you have already studied about AM or PM. For example, Ria wakes up at 7 AM daily. With AM, it is clear that we are talking about morning hours. Let us take one more example. Children went for playing at 7 PM. With PM, it is clear that we are talking about evening hours. These are 12-hour clock system. They tells us the time in AM or PM. In 24-hour clock system, time is written as the number of hours that have passed since midnight. In 24-hour clock system, the day is not divided into two parts of 12 hours each, but is a continuous period of 24 hours. In 24-hour system of time, the time is written in 4 digits. The first 2 digits on the left side of the colon are for the hours. And the last 2 digits on the right side of the colon are for the minutes. In 24-hour clock, the number 1 to 24 are used to represent the 24 hours of the day. This means, unlike a 12-hour clock where the same time occurs twice in a day, once as AM and then as PM, in a 24-hour clock, a particular time occurs only once in a day. That means, in a 24-hour clock time system, the hours from 1 to 12 represent AM and the hours from 13 to 24 represent PM. Hence, instead of AM and PM, we use hours. For example, 1 AM will be written as 0100 hours. 2 AM will be written as 0200 hours. 3 AM will be written as 0300 hours. You must note here that when the time is converted from 12 hours format to 24 hours format, the hours are also written as a 2-digit number. This means that the time in 24-hour format will have 4 digits. 2 digits for hours and 2 digits for minutes. So, when the new day begins at 12 midnight, the time will be written as 0000 hours. Now, let us see how to express the time on the hours of the day using 12-hour time as well as 24-hour time. The day begins at 12 midnight, which is written as 0000 hours. 1 a.m. is written as 0100 hours. 2 a.m. is written as 0200 hours. 3 a.m. is written as 0300 hours. 4 a.m. is written as 0400 hours. 5 a.m. is written as 0500 hours. 6 a.m. is written as 0600 hours. 7 a.m. is written as 0700 hours. 8 a.m. is written as 0800 hours. 9 a.m. is written as 0900 hours. 10 a.m. is written as 1000 hours. Children, as 10 is already a two-digit number, so we need not to add a 0 before 10. 11 a.m. is written as 1100 hours. 12 noon is written as 1200 hours. Now, after 12, there is time is 1 p.m. So, it is written as 1300 hours. 2 p.m. is written as 1400 hours. 3 p.m. is written as 1500 hours. 4 p.m. is written as 1600 hours. 5 p.m. is written as 1700 hours. 6 p.m. is written as 1800 hours. 7 p.m. is written as 1900 hours. 8 p.m. is written as 2000 hours. 9 p.m. is written as 2100 hours. 10 p.m. is written as 2200 hours. 11 p.m. is written as 2300 hours. And then again 12 midnight, as 12 midnight will be written as 0000 hours. The 24-hour format is generally seen in flight schedules, railway timetables. Children, I hope you all have now understood about 24 and long route clock timing system. Thank you.